Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Jian Zafira Irawati. Here, I'm the moderator. Today, we will discuss about hospital room and medical instrument with our lecturer, Miss Tia Saputri. Next, here, introduce our group member. First, Yulia Anggraini, number 9, Hilmi Faradila Radiani, number 10, Jian Zafira Irawati, number 15, Elsa Dwi Alfianti, number 24, Siti Tasya Putri Rizky, number 32, and Nabila Mumtaza, number 33. Next. Okay, our friend will explain the definition of a hospital room and the definition of medical instrument.
Okay, thank you, Jihan. With me, Yulia Anggreni. This time we will discuss about the hospital room and medical instrument. What if definition of hospital room? A hospital room is a health service institution that provides health service. Hospital provide inpatient, outpatient, and emergency service whose service are provided by doctor, nurse, and other health experts. Okay, next. Next is definition of medical instrument. A medical instrument is any instrument intended to be used for health purpose. So, what difference medical instrument from everyday device is their intended use. Okay, next we will discuss about one of hospital room and medical instrument. This one is operating room. What is the operating room? Sometimes operating room is called or the OR or surgery center is where surgery takes place in a hospital. Having surgery is also calling having an operation. When someone has surgery, a special doctor called a surgeon works on or inside the body to fix something that is wrong. The operation room or OR is a large sterile room where surgeons operate on patients. It is equipped with surgical table, monitor, and other equipment necessary for surgery. There are many types of operating room depending on the type of surgery. The room is typically cool and quiet, and the air is sterile and clean. This is the picture of operating room. Next, Next is a suction pump or suction aspirator. Suction pump or suction aspirator is a device used to suck mucus or blood from the patient body during the operation process. This tool is equipped with a vacuum pump and also a container used to hold fluid sucked from the patient body. There are also several types of suction tools, which are usually used based on their suction power. For operating rooms, there are usually all types so that they can be adapted to the condition. Several types of suction pumps include 1. Mobile suction pumps, 2. is portable suction pump, 3. transport suction pump, and 4. is manual suction pump. Okay, next.
Okay, this is a pharmacy. Pharmacy is a place to mix and sell medicine based on doctor prescription and trade medical goods. The facilities used to produce and distribute pharmaceutical preparation include medicinal ingredients, traditional medicine, and cosmetics. Next, this is a thermometer. A thermometer is a tool used to measure temperature. Function to measure human body temperature to determine whether someone has a fever or not. Next.
Okay, with me Elsa. This time we will discuss about the hospital room, namely PICU and medical instrument for SEP. PICU or Pediatric Intensive Care Unit is an intensive care room that is used specially to treat pediatric patients who experience serious health problems and complications. The PICU room specifically for children aged 28 days to 18 years with certain health condition that could be the reason the child needs treatment in the PICU room include pneumonia, bacterial meningitis, traffic accident, falling from a height, dehydration, heavy bleeding or electric shock, coma, epilepsy, and blood cancer. Children who have just undergone major surgery, such as heart, orthopedic, organ transplants, and amputation, also need temporary recovery time in the PICU room before being transferred to the general care room. The PICU room is also guarded 24 hours by a medical team who works alternately in a shift work system to monitor and treat patients. PICU rooms are generally kept quiet, where not many people are allowed to visit, and the number of patients is smaller than general care rooms. The goal is for patients to avoid infection. Next. Next one is forceps. Forceps are grasping type surgical instrument used during surgery and other medical procedure. This tool is often used to take, manipulate, remove tissue or teeth from the body. Forceps are commonly used in emergency rooms, test rooms, and operating rooms to provide first aid. They are often used to grasp or remove tissue, or to place or remove gauze, sponge, or tissues. The following are several types of forceps used in the medical world: Edson, alligators, Ellis, atraumatic, Babcock, biopsy, bone, bulldog, curette, dissecting, Forrester, Halstead, hemostat, Kelly, Cocker, McGill, Overholt, Pennington, Slater, and Full Seldom. Next.
Okay, thank you. With me, Gilmy. This time we will discuss about the hospital room, namely Neonatal Intensive Care Unit or NICU, intensive care room for babies up to 28 days of aging and children who require special treatment and care. To prevent and treat failure of vital organs. Most of those who receive treatment in the NICU are premature babies. These small premature babies who has been successfully treated is a 32-week-old baby with a body weight of 105 1,500 grams. This next, okay. This next incubator. Incubator is a box-based hard heating device whose the temperature can be adjusted. This device is often used to warm babies with intrauterine growth restriction or EUGR, their condition. The NICU room is also supported by various medical devices, specifically for babies. Helpness, some of which are an incubator, is a small bed like a baby's crib. The difference is the top of the box is the covered with a transparent hard plastic barrier. This tool is useful for protecting babies from exposure to germs that cause infection and keeping their bodies warm. The temperature in this device can generally be adjusted to suit the baby's condition. Next.
Emergency room installation. The emergency room IGD is an installation that serves patients in emergency condition. The service is open to 2 hours continuously, where the officer work in 3 shifts every day, namely morning, afternoon, and evening. In a service shift, there are 3 general partitions. Next. Tensimeter or seismomanometer. A tensimeter or seismomanometer is a measuring instrument made to measure blood pressure. This device was first made by Samuel Siegfried Carrital von Best and further developed by Spinrif Rossi and Harvey Cushion. This tool has 2 versions, namely digital and analog. The digital tensimeter uses a screen to show a person's blood pressure, while the analog version uses a needle to show blood pressure. Next.
Internal Medicine Clinic. The Internal Medicine Polyroom is an area in the hospital for outpatient medical service that provides health service for health problems related to the internal organs of the human body. Patients can consult with internal medicine specialists for diagnosis, treatment, and management of diseases. Next. And ECG or
electrocardiogram, and ECG electrocardiogram is a device that creates a graph of electrocardiogram that records the pattern of electrical waves produced by the contraction and relaxation of the heart. An ECG electrocardiogram device is a medical device used to record and measure the electrical activity of the heart. Next. Thank you.
That's all the presentation from our group. More or less sorry, and see you on the next project. Thank you.